There's a lot to admire about gaming laptops. They are lightweight, portable, and designed with all the necessary hardware neatly packed into a compact, easy-to-handle frame. However, this compact design also serves as their biggest limitation. Even non-gaming laptops are prone to trapping significant amounts of hot air, so when you introduce a powerful, dedicated GPU into the equation, managing heat can become quite challenging. This isn't something manufacturers can entirely prevent, as there's only so much they can do to maintain proper cooling in such a confined space. Therefore, it becomes your responsibility as a user to ensure that the cooling system functions effectively. We're here to guide you on how to do just that. One of the primary causes of laptop overheating is improper placement. Gaming laptops are designed to be placed on flat, solid surfaces, especially when handling heavy workloads. Placing your laptop on soft surfaces, such as a bed or your lap, often blocks some or all of the intake grills located on the underside. This restricts the laptop's ability to draw in cool air. On the other hand, when positioned on a flat surface, the rubber feet provide enough elevation for the fans to pull in sufficient cool air for proper functioning. If you've identified the intake grills, you can still safely place your laptop on your lap, provided you ensure that these grills are unobstructed. Alternatively, you can use a sturdy object, such as a book or a box, as a makeshift stand to maintain airflow. Regardless of how well you optimize airflow, dust buildup over time is inevitable. It's impossible to avoid completely, so regular cleaning is crucial to keep your laptop performing efficiently. We recommend cleaning your laptop at least once every 3 to 6 months to prevent excessive dust accumulation. If you found this guide helpful and want more tips and tricks to get the best out of your gaming setup, don't forget to check out my YouTube channel. Subscribe now for in-depth tutorials, reviews, and advice to level up your gaming experience.